Hey friends, this is a demo video of the new version of Auto Layouts for the AutoCAD plugin. Auto Layouts makes it super easy for you to create sheet layouts in AutoCAD through automation. The latest version of Auto Layouts allow you to create not just one, but two viewports in a single layout. For example, you can now create a plan and profile in one layout, or even two. Here in AutoCAD, first I will show you the one viewport option with the new version. It's much easier than the first version in terms of viewport number selection. Here I have my layout with the title block, so you can add your title block, your company standard or project standard. Also, I have a viewport here. Maybe you have some specific viewport here for the key plan, but it's okay. You can create any number of viewports. Let me go to the model space. So here I have my sheet frames and the drawing number exact middle of the sheet frame. So you have to make sure this justification is middle center, and this should be placed in between these corners. So it should be exact center of the sheet. You have to create separate layer for the sheet numbers. So make sure no other em text are in this layer. Now I can go to add-in and click on auto layouts. This is the new user interface of Auto Layouts. If you have one viewport, you can choose this radio button, or if you have two, this is the one. We will choose one viewport and click on select first viewport number. Okay, so I can click any number actually because we have created separate layer for the sheet numbers. When I click any of the sheet number, it will select all automatically. So that's why make sure no other em text are in this layer. If you have some labels or some other text, it will select everything. So select any sheet number. Now you can see all the sheet numbers are selected and listed here. Yeah, if you feel you selected some other things or some other em text are exist in this layer, then it will be listed here, so you can cancel it and clean your layers in that case. Now I can select first viewport width, end snap point turned on, click the width, and now I can select height. So this is my height. The selected height and width came here. These buttons will activate when we are doing the two viewports. It's not required for the one viewport. Now select first viewport. So I can select my viewport here. Okay. Now first viewport is selected. Now just click on execute button. Now it's creating the first sheet layouts. So yeah, now it's created. See, all the viewports are created, and even let me go to model space. You see this sheet number 12 and 13, it's rotated. Let's see how it's created in those sheets. Go to 13, see it's rotated. So let's think, if you have more than 100 sheets, how much time it will take. Within minutes you can create n number of sheets. Next I will show you how to utilize this tool for two viewports. Example of two viewport. This is the first viewport and this is the second viewport. Let me go to model, and here you can see sheet number for each viewports. These numbers for one layout should be same. This is 0 1 for the first viewport. This is 0 1 for second viewport. Make sure these two are in separate layers. So these all the sheet number for first layout, I just kept them VP1. So make sure no other em text are in this sheet number layer. So these all selected for the viewport number 1. Okay. Same way for the viewport number 2. Select similar. So you can see this VP number 2. The color and layer name you can choose whatever you want. Okay, let me load the program. Add-ins, auto layouts. So here select two viewports. When we are selecting two viewports, this activated because it's required for these two viewports. select first viewport number. Any of the first viewport number you can select. Okay, so I just selecting this one and it selected all the first viewport numbers. Now select second viewport number. So I can select any of the second viewport number. Okay, now pick first viewport width. Anywhere I can select first viewport width. Okay, here. This is my first viewport width and pick first viewport height. Okay. And now here, this is for the second viewport. If your first and second viewport width and height same, just click on this tick box and it will capture whatever you selected for the first viewport. Now select first viewport. So this is my first viewport. If your viewport is bottom first, you can select. So let me select this, the one, and select second viewport. Now click on execute and see the magic. Yes, all created. So for 8, you can see the 8, bottom and top, 7, all created. And the old sheet layout, just name it old sheet layout. You can delete it or just keep it for the key plan purpose. Okay, now it's created. It's a easier one, a easier arrangement of the layouts. I will show you some complicated one also. So here I'll show you another example of two viewport drawing. Model space. Here we can see the viewports are aligned to the roads. Okay, so I'll show you how to create. So this is for first viewport and this is for second viewport. Go to Auto Layouts, two viewports, select first viewport number. This is my first viewport number and selected, and select second viewport number and pick first viewport width. So my viewport is this way, so select the first viewport width and first viewport height, and all the first viewport width and height same for the second viewport. So I can just click this tick mark. Now select first viewport and select second viewport. Just click on execute. See, all created. Okay, now next I will show you some complicated one, like if you have one viewport for the plan and two viewport for the profile. It's a combination of one viewport and two viewports. So let's see that one. So in this drawing, I will show you how to create mix of one viewport and two viewport. So one viewport I will create for these road plans. As you can see the rectangles, I just created only four, but this required more. For the demo purpose, just showing you the four layouts. So for the profile, one viewport for the bands and another viewport for the actual roadway profiles. Okay, so first I will show you the viewports. So this is for the plan, one viewport for each plan. And for the profile, here you can see actually four viewports. This is one viewport for the profile, and this is another viewport for the bands, and this is for the band label. This is also a viewport, and the other one for the datum. Okay, but we are creating by using these viewport, and let's see how we will run. First we can run the plan. Okay, one viewport for all the plans. So whatever we are running first, it should be the first position after the model. So I just, if you want to drag, you can drag the positions. After creating the plans, when I'm going to do the profiles, I will show you how to change the location. Okay, so let's create go to add-ins, auto layouts. So first we are going to do the plan one viewport each layout. Okay, one viewport, select viewport number. So this is my viewport number selected. Okay, I just created only four, and pick first viewport width. This is first viewport width and first viewport height. Now select first viewport. This is the first viewport and execute. It's creating. Okay, now it's created. The old layouts renamed as old layout. You can keep it or delete. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this 1A for the profile. So next we have to create sheet for the profiles. So I can click and drag this to the first layout after the model. Okay. Now I can go to auto layouts and two viewports. Select first viewport number. After selecting first viewport number, this select viewport number will enable. Okay, my profile. This is first viewport and select second viewport. This is second viewport for the. Okay, now selected. Now pick first viewport width. So this is first viewport width. Okay, and first viewport height. Okay, and here it's not same. First viewport and second viewport width and height's not same. So we have to select separately. Width is same, but anyhow, I will show you how to select. So this second viewport width and second viewport height. Now select first viewport. So this is the first viewport. Select second viewport. This is the second viewport and execute. Now here plan layout and first plan profile, second all this created. Thank you for watching this video. This auto layouts add-in now available in Autodesk App Store. You can purchase from here or you can download the free trial version. If you have any question queries, just contact me. Find my contact details and auto layouts link in this video description.